Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with today's English headline. PM Imran briefed on plans to deal with border security. In Peshawar, Prime Minister Imran Khan expressed satisfaction over the efficacy of the border management, regime and measures taken to ensure internal security. After he was briefed about various contingency plans in place to tackle the evolving security situation along Pak-Afghan border. PM's 10 billion tree program to turn country green. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed said Prime Minister Imran Khan 10 billion tree plantation program would turn the country green and make it pollution free. Pakistan welcomes United Nations stand on illegal Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan welcomed a statement from the United Nations Secretary General spokesman, reaffirming the United Nations position on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Justice Ahmed yet to give consent for his elevation to Supreme Court, while the Judicial Commission of Pakistan at its Tuesday meeting is expected to consider the incumbent Chief Justice of the Sindh High Court, Ahmed Ali Mohammad Sheikh, for elevation to the position of Supreme Court's ad HOC judge. Students below 18 traveling abroad allowed Moderna vaccine. Students below the age of 18 who are intending to travel abroad have been allowed to get Moderna vaccine. 3 alleged terrorists killed in Lahore. The Counter-Terrorism Department of Punjab has claimed to have shot down 3 alleged terrorists planning attacks on sensitive installations and departments amid a shootout in an intelligence-based operation. Sindh lockdown to be lifted on 9th August. The National Command and Operations Center on COVID-19 announced that the lockdown announced by the Sindh government in the province would be lifted from August 9, as the country recorded 95 coronavirus-related deaths over the past 24 hours. Pakistan's coronavirus positivity ratio stays above 8%. Pakistan on Sunday reported a coronavirus positivity rate above 8%, as cases of the coronavirus continue to rise across the country. The National Command and Operations Center is disclosed that 4,455 people tested positive for the virus on Saturday out of 55,002 who were tested for the infection. Pakistan received 2 million doses of the Sinovac vaccine from China on Sunday, according to the National Disaster Management Authority. This is end of today's English headlines. Take care of yourself and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.